In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix Messenger video call sound problem. So let's get started. So first of all is that you want to open up your Messenger, and from here you want to tap on the three horizontal bars on the top left. So once you're signed in, you should see this right here, and now you want to tap on the settings icon at the top or the gear icon to go here into the settings. Once you're here, is that you simply would want to scroll down until you see notifications and sound. So you want to tap on that. And from here, you want to make sure that you turn on the notifications because this is one of the features that will get your audio on mute in Messenger. So this would really help for you to get your video call sound problem fixed. So tap on turn on notifications. And from here, you want to go here into activate or toggle on the allow notifications. Now, you want to go back into your Messenger, and then you should now be able to see this option. So you want to make sure that you have the same settings as mine. And just simply go into the settings of the device itself. So whether you're in an iPhone or in an Android, it's the same thing. You just need to go here into the Messenger app right here in your settings. So if you're in iOS, this is how you do it. And basically the same thing with the Android. So you just will simply want to go into your app section here in the settings, which is right here at the bottom. And now you want to go into Messenger. So it should be somewhere in here. So tap on Messenger. And then now you will now be able to see the settings. And in here is that you want to make sure that you have microphone enabled right here. So you can toggle that, make sure to toggle, and also your camera, as this would also affect your audio and your notifications also right here. So make sure that you turn all of that on. Now, once you're done, is that you want to go back into your Messenger and just simply try to video call someone, and then you should now have your sound back. If not, then there will be a pop-up that would ask for your permission to gain access to your camera and your microphone for audio purposes or sound purposes. However, if none of this work, then it's probably because of a hardware problem. Then in that case, then no amount of tutorials here in the software would be able to fix your problem. You would have to get it into a professional. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.